Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to teach you how to turn this into this. You're just going to need a 4x4 and a couple 2x4 planks. So first we'll start off, you're going to cut 18-inch sections of the 2x4s. You're going to need 4 of these. These will end up being the legs for your piece. Once you have your 4 pieces cut, go ahead and set up your 4x4 you're going to use. What you're going to do here is you're going to take the boards and line them up on the 4x4 where they're going to go. Then you're going to drill a couple pilot holes. Once you're done with that, go ahead and mark the underside of it so you know which board goes where. So then you switch, put your clamps on the other side, and drill your other 2 holes. After this first one, I get a little more precise with everything, and I'll show you a way to make it look nice. Alright, so right here, this is our second piece. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to line the holes up once you make your first 2. There you go. And then you just drill where X marks the spot, and you're going to do that again on the other one. Now if you want to make your piece more aesthetic, I definitely recommend this way of doing it. It makes it look more like a box and keeps everything kind of even. Don't forget to mark it so you know where it goes, and move on to the next one. Now, when you get done drilling all your pilot holes, go ahead. This isn't necessary, but I chose to make it a little more aesthetic on the feet. So I'm cutting a 45-degree angle off of the edge of each foot piece, just to make it look a little cooler. So here we're looking at where we want the top of our piece to be. I measured out about a foot here because some helmets that you'll use, they could be like full face helmets or something, so they need a little more room to sit. One cool thing that I thought about after I was done here is you could use a router and clear out some of the material on both pieces of wood, creating some joining, and have it sit there flush. But I didn't do that on this one. I just kind of wanted to get this one done. I need stuff to set some armor and helmets on. When it comes to this, I would do the legs first, screw them in, secure them on, and then move on to the shoulder area. The reason for that is that when you are turning it over, you won't have to worry about that top part. But if you're not really concerned about that, you can go ahead and do it either way. So what I'm pointing out here is that I actually messed up and drew on the wrong side and had to kind of change it a little bit. So that one leg did end up being a little bit wonky. Not really sure exactly how I messed that up, but I did. One other thing I'll point out is that you could always process this wood before you do this, i.e. sand it and maybe cut off some excess pieces. All right, here we're adding the stain. At first I really liked the color of the stain. It was a like dark brown and it was pretty good. Then I mixed it up like you're supposed to, I guess, and I found out that this color was actually not that great. So halfway through this process, I actually ended up spilling the stain and I lost 90% of it. So I had to work quickly to finish this up. That's why there's gaps in this, but you will see the finished product. Alright guys, that's all I've got for you today. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you back next time in the Forge.